Welcome to Custom Order Status for WooCommerce. Let's quickly walk through how to get started and make the most of your order management options. If you've already installed and activated the plugin, here's what you can do right away. Create unlimited custom statuses, send automated notifications, and set up smart automation rules to update orders for you. Keep customers informed and make order management faster and easier. Now that you know what's possible, let's start by creating your first custom order status. First, go to WooCommerce, Custom Order Status, and click Add New Custom Order Status. Enter a name, slug, choose a color and icon, and then publish it. Once saved, your new status will appear in the custom order status list. You've got your custom status ready. Next, let's see how easy it is to apply it to your orders. Stop wasting clicks. Update orders your way, faster. With custom statuses, you're not stuck with WooCommerce's default order flow. From the Orders page, assign your custom status to one order or hundreds in seconds using the Bulk Actions menu. Prefer a one-on-one update? Edit an order, pick your custom status from the dropdown, and watch its icon and color pop instantly on the orders list, so you always know where it stands. Keep customers in the loop and your team on alert by setting up automatic emails for every important status change. Go to the Order Status Emails tab, enable the email settings, choose your status change, email address to which the notification will be sent, and add your email subject and message using merge tags where needed. And you're done. Customers might get an email like, "Your order is one step closer." Take control of your order flow, define the rules once, and watch your statuses update themselves right on schedule. Set automation rules from the Order Status Rules tab. Choose your From status and To status. And set a time delay of 2 hours to move an order automatically from ready for dispatch to completed status. Fine-tune the rules with filters. Pause changes on holidays or weekends by adding skip days and dates. Target only specific payment methods, products, or categories. Save your settings, and the rule goes live instantly. You're all set. If you need help, our documentation and support team are here for you. Thanks for choosing Custom Order Status for WooCommerce.